So my wife gave me $100 to go dump a bunch of wood off a tree that we cut down. I ain't paying to dump that shit. Let's go have a bonfire. Alright, so we just got gas. That $100 is toast. We put it all in the tank. Let's head out to the pits, man. Start this bonfire. It's getting pretty late. I'm running a little bit behind schedule like usual. If I go crazy, then will you still call me Superman? If I'm alive, then will you be there holding my hand? I'll keep you by my side with my superhuman, my kryptonite. Yeah!
Well, I took a walk around the world to ease my troubled mind. I left my body lying somewhere in the sands of time. Well, I watched the world float to the dark side of the moon. Well, I feel there's nothing I can do. Yeah. I watched the world float to the dark side of the moon. After all, I knew it had to be something to do with you. I really don't mind what happens now and then, as long as you'll be my friend at the end.
Alright, so here we are. We finally made it to the pit. We are about to start this bonfire. We're going to be cooking up some deer steaks and just having a good time, man, relaxing. So hopefully you guys enjoy it. Felt like it took forever to get here. It's almost dark now, so should be about the perfect time to light this bad boy up. I mean, they must have knew we were coming. Somebody left some good firewood for us. I ain't gonna complain, buddy. Taters. We got plates, so I'm gonna have to use these pizza pan things I brought. It'll work out. Not worried. I need this coffee so bad right now. It's unreal. Why will you not hurry up? Ooh, looking pretty good. I like my coffee really hot in the morning, especially when it's so cold out like it is today. So, I mean, it probably got down to about 32 degrees last night. I know for a lot of you Alaskan folk out there, it probably ain't that bad, but up here in Washington State, man, it's pretty chilly, okay? But your butt hair's freezing. That's when you know it's too cold outside to be messing around. Ain't no way I'm gonna put this whole thing in there, okay? Anybody out there, if you guys drink coffee and you have to put an entire thing of hot chocolate or cocoa in your coffee so that you could drink the coffee, you probably don't like coffee. I'm just gonna be the one to tell you. Don't hate me. As I look in there, there's like a pile of shit in there from the... Did I just put the whole thing in there? I accidentally put the whole damn thing in there. This is what they call a foo-foo drink now, buddy. Cooking with Chronic outside. Doesn't know what he's doing, but he's got a nice little behind. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Ooh, take it back. Who's gonna catch a fish today? I'm gonna catch a fish. I'm family friendly. That was very chocolatey, but it's still kind of hitting the spot, man. I don't know. I'm gonna cook the taters first. We'll boil them up, and then we'll get the steak going after that, because the steak shouldn't take too long to cook. I'm gonna be 100% honest with you. I have zero clue on how long I'm supposed to boil those potatoes for, but we'll make it work. We'll make it do. Well, you can change the beat if you want. All right, here's the deer steak I got going. This is a deer that I shot back in 2024. It's the backstraps. Usually considered one of the best parts of the deer. So we'll cut this up, get it kind of ready to go, so that when the potatoes are done, we can slap it on there, have our breakfast finally, you know? I thought I was going to have to cut these up a little bit more, but it looks like my cousin, the butcher, had these things pretty well cut up into steaks. I might make one a little thinner. I like my steaks a little bit thin, but these backstraps are gonna be good. And it turns out I think I bought unmeltable butter. No matter what I do to this stuff, it just stays smiling at me in there. A little rock hard thing of butter. All right, guys, so we got our backstrap deer steaks. We got our onions. We're gonna slap some of that pepper salt butter that we're trying to melt on it, and should be one of the best breakfasts we ever had. Let's get to it. These bad boys are just about done. Oh, that looks good. All right, there's our final product. Check that out. We got boiled mashed potatoes, backstrap deer steaks, onions, soaked in butter, salt, and pepper. This is gonna be one hell of a breakfast. Oh, that's good. And I suggest everybody start their day off with water. Any water companies out there want to sponsor us, right here, man, I'll throw your brand right there. Don't tempt me, I'll do it. I'm about to just destroy this breakfast, and then we'll come up with a plan on exactly where we want to go, try to catch some steelhead later. Oh my God, that was so good. That was one of the top 5 breakfasts I've ever ate. Oh, my forehead's shining so much. The sun's coming out. Van's ready to go. We're gonna go find a river. We're gonna do a little gold panning. We're gonna do a little steelhead fishing, and we're just gonna all around have some fun cruising some gravel roads. So let's get to it. Ready for an adventure, Little D? Yeah! So if you guys don't know, Little D right here is my 4-wheel drive van that I picked up probably about 10 years ago. She is my absolute prized possession. Love her so much. She is part of the family. She's gonna be on all these adventures with us. We call her Little D. She's a Dodge 1-ton 350, B350. Who does work. Years ago, you could actually drive this last mile all the way down to the river, but maybe 7 years ago, they cut out the road. So now we got to hike about a mile to get to the river. We used to call this bear camp because we used to just always see bears when we're back here. So maybe we'll get lucky and we'll get something on video, but let's get hiking. We got a long hike ahead of us. Did I just say we got a long hike ahead of us for a mile? I bet you Little D can make it back here. I forgot the gold pen and the shovel. Luckily, we're not too far away from the van. I'm just gonna head back real quick and grab them. Okay, attempt number 2. Apparently, I forgot a couple of things, so good thing we came back. I always say it's a sign, you know? You want to turn a bad into a positive. It's a great day. Ain't no sunshine when she's gone. Ain't no home while she's away. Waterfall's raging over here. Try to get you guys a shot through these trees. Bet you there's gold in these here mountains. This find this or gotta find this or claim. Keep all the riffraff off of it. That's up there. I just want to peek down here at the river and see. Oh, that looks so good. It's moving so perfect. So here we go, guys. We're entering Bear Camp. And this is just an old campsite I found when I was a kid. I don't know who made it. It's pretty awesome. You used to be able to drive your trucks right up here and camp right on the river's edge. Maybe they were just scared of people getting too drunk and driving their trucks off this cliff, but it's a good camp. Used to be a lot more kept than this. I wonder if the person that, oh no, look, you can tell people have been up here recently. I think it's kind of an elk camp area where people come up and they do some elk camping while they're hunting, do some elk hunting while they're camping. Or it's just a place where people would come. You know, I know on this river, a lot of these fishermen would just build their own little campsites because they plan on staying up here for a couple weeks at a time to fish. And I think that's what this is, honestly. Because I know at least 2 other spots like this that are kind of hidden gems that nobody knows about. But you gotta remember, man, the reason my channel is so sweet is because I grew up out here in these woods, and I know a lot more private spots you ain't gonna find on the Google. You know, the internet ain't gonna show you what old John can show you. Come check out the Dudley Adventures. Me, my wife, my son, and our 4-wheel drive van going on adventures every week. Hit that subscribe button. And if you guys want to help out the channel, go to our Cash App at JD Aberdeen. I'll leave links in the description. And we appreciate all the help, man. They go right to these trips with me and my family and bringing you guys the best content we possibly can. All right, let's get down to the river. I don't know why my eyes were so bug-eyed there. That looked kind of freaky, but let's get down to the river. I think it's time we cast in some lines and see what kind of fish we can reel in. Everybody always asks if I'm scared out in the woods when I'm just hiking around alone or, you know, traveling at night. And the answer is very simple. These animals are stuck in here with me. I'm not stuck out here in the woods with these animals, so I truly believe I'm the baddest motherfucker out here. No. Ah! Did you hear that? It was a grouse. I don't know why it turned me into an Englishman. Scared out of me. Where's he at? Oh my God, you dirty, dirty birds. You dirty, dirty birds. Every time. Every single time. I'm literally talking about how tough I am out in these woods. Little bird almost made me shit myself. My heart's pounding miles a minute. I was dead. I almost possumed. I almost just went right over. Holy crap. Okay, well, you know, brush it off. Just showing you guys. I was just showing you guys what a normal city boy would have done if they were out in the woods when one of these critters spooked them, right? That's what would have happened. Now, if that was me, that was just acting. Not even scared a little bit. That didn't scare me a little bit. My heart started fluttering. I don't got goosebumps going up my butthole. No, sir. Okay, so come to find out I'm the second toughest thing. Grouse are number 1. Everything else, bottom of the food chain. Damn dirty birds. Dirty birds every time. Let's get to this river. I'm done with this. Damn, everybody picking on me out here in the woods. I'm the toughest thing there is. Oh! Oh! Damn it! The stick just hit me in the balls! Oh man, that river looks good. Oh, there's definitely fish out here. Pretty sure those guys on the boat heard me screaming about my balls. I mean, I think right here in this fast water, right in this fast water behind me is where I'm gonna kind of cast in my little lures. I think we'll get something. I think we'll at least catch a cutthroat, but you never know. Bear Camp, baby, can't beat it. One of the best places on this river. I mean, whether you just want to come hang out with the family, relax, this is just a gem that I guarantee little Google Bull does not know how to get to, so gotta enjoy these moments, man. Been about 40 minutes of casting and nothing. So let's go to somewhere else. Let's do some. Let's be progressive here and find the fish. All right. There's actually some pretty good little bedrock spots here. Let's get let's just do a little fun stuff, man. Let's get a little bit of material in this pan. See if there's any small fine gold that we can look at. This is just for fun. We're not going to be keeping anything. I just want to see if there's any gold out here in this river. Oh, there's a little piece right there. Yeah, a little piece of gold. Yeah, baby. Not bad. Little nuggy. Yeah, so there is gold in these hills. Maybe we should start panning a little more often. Come down here with the family, have a little bit of fun, but not a bad little nugget in there. I mean, I don't know how to tell the difference. It's probably fool's gold. I'm a big fool, so. But it's been so much fun hanging out with you guys. I just want to say thanks for coming on the journey. Yeah, if you guys enjoy this kind of content, make sure to leave a comment down below. And again, if you guys want to help donate to the channel, make sure you go to that Cash App for JD Aberdeen and send over some cashola. I'll leave a link down in the description if you guys want to do that. But all right, till the next adventure, guys.